Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about one of the logical functions, that is if function. In my previous video, I had shown you how to compare two numbers using the logical operators. When we had compared these two numbers using the logical operator, we had got the result in the form of whether it is true or false. But what if I want my answers in other formats such as yes or no, accept or reject, or in any other form? In order to do that, we will be using these logical operators inside the if function. Now let us see how do we use this if function. We have taken the same example here. You can see we have got the same table. Here we shall use this if formula along with the logical operators. Here we have got the first logical operator, that is equal to. Now we will use this equal in the if function. We'll use it in the formula now. The formula will always start with the equal symbol. If, now I'm opening the bracket here. Now I'm selecting the price of the pen in store A equals the price of the pen in store B. Now I'm putting the comma here. Now you can observe here it is showing as value if true and value if false. Now here we will be writing the value if true, that is whether to buy the product or don't buy the product. We will use the inverted comma. Now I am typing buy. Now again I am putting the inverted comma. Now I am putting the comma. Now you can see it is asking for value if false. That means if the price of the pen, if they are not equal, what should be the result? Now I am writing as don't buy. Now I'm closing the bracket. Now then I will click on enter. Now you can see since the prices they are not equal, it is suggesting to don't buy. Similarly, we shall try it with different operators also. Now I am doing it with not equal to. Now I am typing the formula here. You can see I have typed the formula. Now I am clicking on enter. Now you can see it is suggesting to buy. Since we have used the operator that is not equal and the price of the notebook it is not equal in store A and store B, it is suggesting to buy here. Now I'll use the greater than operator. Now you can see I am inserting the formula here, that is if the stapler its price in store A, if it is greater than the price in the store B, then buy, else don't buy. Now we have got the result as buy here. Similarly, we can do it with the different operators. Next we shall see we have another table here. It consists of marks of the students and here they have mentioned the condition as the total marks from the first and second year it should be more than 150 in order to pass, else if it is less than 150 then it will be considered as fail. Now we shall apply the formula and classify pass and fail students. Here we will apply greater than or equal to operator inside the if function. Now I'll enter the formula here. Equals if I am opening the bracket now. Now I am selecting the marks of Arun in the first year plus the marks of the Arun in the second year. Now I am using the operator that is greater than or equal to 150. Then in the value if it is true, I am writing it as pass. It should be written within the inverted comma. Then in the place of value if false, I am writing it as fail. It is also written within the inverted comma. Now I am closing the bracket. Now I will click on enter. Now you can see we have got the result here. Since I'm using the same logical operator formula, I'll drag it down. Now you can see we have got the results of all the students, whether they are pass or fail. This is how we can use the logical operator within the if function. Next we shall see another example. We have got another table here, and the condition it has been given as if the A it is greater than B, then add A and B, else it should be mentioned as 0. That means if the A it is greater than B, then we should be adding both A and B, and if A it is not greater than B, then we should write it as 0. Now we shall use the greater than operator inside the if function. We will frame the formula now. Equals, if I am opening the bracket, A is greater than B, A plus B, in the value if false, I am writing it as 0. Now I am closing the bracket. Now I will press the enter. You can see we have got the result here. The result, it is A, since A is greater than B, we have got the sum of A and B. Now I will drag it down. You can see in the second column, since the A is less than B, we have got the result as 0. This is how we create the formula or customize the formula using the logical operators inside the if function. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of the videos or updates. Thank you.